AC motor and generator. AC motors and generators are essential electrical machines used in modern industry and daily life. Both operate using alternating current AC, but they perform opposite function. An AC motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, while an AC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. These machines are widely used in power plants, factories, appliances, and transportation systems. AC motor. An AC motor is a device that transforms electrical energy into mechanical motion through the interaction of magnetic fields. It works based on the principles of electromagnetic induction, where a rotating magnetic field is produced in the stator when AC supply is applied. This rotating field causes the motor to turn, producing motion. There are two main types of AC motor. Synchronous motor rotates at constant speed synchronized with the supply frequency. Induction motor, the most commonly used type, where the rotor rotates slightly slower than the magnetic field. AC motors widely used in electric fans, pumps, compressor, and industrial machines because they are durable, efficient, and require less maintenance. AC generator alternator. An AC generator, also known as an alternator, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It operates based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which states that a voltage is induced when a conductor moves through a magnetic field. In an AC generator, the rotor rotates inside a magnetic field. The rotor contains stationary windings where electricity is produced. As the rotor spins, it induces an alternating voltage in the stator windings. Differences between AC motor and generator. AC motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Electrical energy, mechanical motion, magnetic field interaction. AC generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. Mechanical energy, electrical power, electromagnetic induction. AC motor and generator are widely used in various applications. AC motor, electric fan, washing machine, pumps, convenience, and AC generator, power generation plant, wind turbines, hydraulic hydraulic station. Conclusion: AC motor and generators are fundamental components of electrical engineering. They work on similar principles but serve opposite purposes in energy conversion. Understanding how they function help in designing efficient electrical system and improving energy utilization. Their reliability, efficiency, and wide range of application make them indispensable in modern technology.